aspirants, welcome to our channel Physics World. Before going to the topic, please do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get the notification of my latest updates. Okay, let's go into our topic, refraction of light at plane surfaces. In the last video, we saw what is the reflection of light and how the light will behave, the rectilinear propagation of light. And in this video, I am going to introduce the clear explanation about the refraction of light with one example. Observe carefully. See, here in the first case, the car is going on a smooth road, right? See how like you will go if the smooth is the road means? Yes, of course. With the speed, with the smooth comfort, you will travel in the car. Yes. In the second example, what you are observing there? Yes, of course, a car is going on the muddy road. See, if it is muddy means during rainy seasons, we can encounter this situation, right? Yes, it is too difficult to go in the muddy road. After observing these two examples, I am going to give this one. See, when a car is coming from the smooth road to the muddy road. See, observe carefully. This is the interface separating the smooth road as well as the muddy road. We can call this as the interface. See, which is separating the two mediums to be say exactly. The smooth road is one medium and the muddy road is another medium. Just for simplification, for clarification, for clear clarification, we are going to understand by this example. Observe carefully. When the car is coming from the smooth road to the muddy road, what will happen? Definitely, you all have this experience in your daily life. Yes. See, the car, see in this picture, the car will take a sudden turn. Not exactly deep turn, it will turn there only. The front tires, you can experience that turn somewhat, a little bit. Yes. And it will change the direction also. As you are moving straight, it will change slightly the direction. Okay. Anyway, and if you are traveling from muddy road to smooth road, what will happen? See, in this case, there is a case, the car is coming from the muddy road to the smooth road. How like it will go? Yes, of course, there may be a turn like this itself. Like in this case, how the car will turn, same, the turn will be there, but how about the speed? Yes, in this case, when the car is coming from the muddy road to smooth road, the speed will increase, right? Yes, but what about in this case? Yes, in this case, the speed will decrease. Okay, what is the reason for this? Because of the smoothness, here we can have the greater speed, and on the muddy road, because of the molecules that are sticky, for that reason only the speed will reduce. Okay, if you understand this concept, clear means, then you can understand the refraction of light very clear. Okay, let us see. What is the refraction of light? It's nothing but the change in direction of a wave passing from one medium to another medium caused by its change in speed. Right? Change in speed. Simply to say, it's nothing but the bending of light. Okay, assume this as a smooth road. Why? It is a rarer medium. Rarer medium means the molecules will be very freely arranged, like in air. Smooth road, no obstacles will be there, no obstruction will be there, no. In the denser medium means that molecules will be attached very closely, like mud in the muddy road. Yes, very good. See here, when you are going to incident any light onto the surface, onto the medium which is separating rarer as well as denser mediums, how like it is changing its direction. See once, as we are incidenting one light ray, how like it will move. It has to move in a straight path, but it is changing its direction. Why? This is happening like the first case what we have observed in this car case. Yes, the car is coming and after it is changing its direction. See, you are observing this picture. Yes, the same thing happening here also. But we have seen how to draw a normal for the surface. No, assume if this is a surface means how we will draw the normal. We'll draw the normal perpendicular to the surface. Okay. After drawing the normal, we are going to observe when we are incidenting any light ray, how like it is moving, how like, do we say exactly how like it is bending. In the light ray, when it is traveling from the rarer medium to denser medium, it will bend towards the normal after refraction. Okay. Then what it will bend when it is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. That is nothing but denser medium. How like we have taken? It is a muddy road. In denser means the molecules are tightly packed together. And the rarer medium is they are free. They are freely arranged. Okay. While we are incidenting a light ray from the denser medium into the rarer medium, what will happen? The light ray will bend away from the normal. As we have discussed, the normal is nothing but what we are drawing perpendicular to the plane surface. Yes, when you are going to incident at the medium, at the interface, which is separating the denser medium as well as the rarer medium, at the surface, at the point of incident, if you are incidenting the light ray will bend away from the normal when it is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. What are the causes for this bending of light? Yes, of course, it is nothing but, what are the causes? Yes, why does the light bend? Due to change in medium. What is the medium? Already we have discussed in the previous video, matter is nothing but in which the wave travels. Yes, matter is dense. Whether it may be dense, it may be rare, how like the molecules are packed in that medium, in that particular matter in which our light ray is traveling. Okay, so first let us discuss what are the causes of refraction. Why? Why means the light bending because of change in medium. Yes, because of the change in medium, the light ray is bending. And because of the change in speed of light. Have you observed? The speed will change. Yes, when it is traveling from one medium to another medium. So how like we can get this one change in speed? See, observe carefully. We have discussed some of the examples now here. Yes, when you are coming from the smooth road to the muddy road, what we have discussed? Medium change is there, no? Yes, of course. And the speed. How like? Yes, the speed is decreasing. And one more thing also you need to observe, the direction also somewhat slightly will change. And with the steering help, we can change the direction anyway in case of car. And here also the speed, how like it will be? In this case, the speed will decrease, and when the car is coming from muddy road to smooth road, the speed will increase. The change in medium is there, and the speed also one of the reason for the refraction. Right? Okay, ma? Hope you all understood about the refraction of light and what are the causes of refraction. In the next video, we will discuss what are the laws of refraction and the refractive index. Okay? Thank you, one and all.